Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick unboxing video of Apple Watch. I think this is I forgot which one. It's the Apple Watch SE Generation 2. I got it for free from my work, so I wanted to unbox this. Here's a strap. I think it's a denim. What's it called? I forgot. But it's like a rubber, one of the rubber strap. Let's actually open that first. And here's the watch. A very thin box. I chose the silver. What's that called again? Silver aluminum. It's very tiny. Let's see if I can hook this up to the watch. I wonder if there's any, like a filter or something they can put on the screen. I gotta read how to do this. Slide attach band. Oh, like that. Oh, it clicks, and you can hear. Oh wow, it's very easy. Something like that. How can I turn this on? There's a charger. Might have. Oh, there we go. It's loading. Kind of long, actually. Bring iPhone near the watch. Okay. I can hook it up with my phone. So I just paired with my phone and Apple Watch. Let's see what it does. passcode. Let's do this. Oh, okay, I can use my phone to set it up. It looks like it's ready. Oop. Control center. Turn the digital crown to see your widgets. Cool. Nice. Okay. Cool. Right. I was gonna buy a new watch for my birthday this year, so I wasn't gonna really use Apple Watch, but I got it for free, so I thought I would give it a try. I might use it for my workout, gym time. Looks nice. Right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.